The nose is the centermost part of your face. It helps you to smell, sing, and also filters out the air before it enters the body. And this is exactly where we need these tiny holes called the nostrils. The nostrils. The nostrils are these two tiny holes on your nose through which the air enters the body. And after it enters the nostrils, it goes through a tunnel-like structure called the nasal passage. The nasal passage. This nasal passage takes the air into a space behind your nose called the nasal cavity. The nasal cavity. And this is where the air temperature is regulated before it enters the rest of the body.
Now let's talk about something gross, yet very useful. That's your nasal hair. Nasal hair. The hair in your nasal passage that blocks all the dirt and dust is called the nasal hair. And the next gross thing is your nasal mucus. Nasal mucus. The nasal mucus is the liquidy and slimy substance in your nose. It's also called snot. Snot. But if it dries and solidifies, it's called nose boogers. Nose boogers. Or just boogers.
If you zoom into the picture of this nasal cavity, you find these hair-like structures. These have tiny pores called the smell receptors. The smell receptors.
Smell receptors help you identify the different kinds of smell, be it a pleasant and aromatic smell or a stinky and disgusting one. And coming back to the external parts of the nose,
and the hard part that connects the nose to the face is called the nose bridge. The nose bridge. The left and right sides of the nose are called the sides of the nose. The sides of the nose. Then we have the tip of the nose. The tip of the nose.
the tip of the nose is the frontmost and most visible part of the nose. For more such content, do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.